All right, Matthew, inside of your AC30, we are antagonizing it. We are trying to provoke an issue. This is a very nice one, by the way. But I haven't been able to get her to act up yet. We'll just say yet. We'll get it done. So I'm going to take the chassis out from the cabinet here, and then we'll move on with life. Bye. Nothing yet, just punishing it. All channels too. No change. Just punishing this sucker. About 90 minutes. Across all channels. I'm just not getting that non-stop whooshing sound. Let me get a sign. It's not getting it. So we will commence stage 2. Try to get that issue to rear its ugly little noisy head. Man. So a total of, I don't know, like 3 hours under load. No issues instigated. This has just been one hell of a week. Actually, the last 2 weeks for these random amps coming in with intermittent issues. I don't know what is going on with you guys out there. It's crazy. That was at 120 wall volts. I bumped it up to 125 and 130 for the last 45 minutes. Nothing but a little bit of microphonics from one of the preamp tubes on the normal channel. So I'm gonna let her cook a little more. I'm gonna inspect the power section here. Just a lovely amp, by the way. Let's see here. I'm tempted to make an artificial center tap. You got some 60 hertz in the background. That's just annoying. I want to get rid of it. I'll get that. Or actually just float the heaters up there above ground. And see what else we can do. See what else we can do for you, buddy. So, update soon. You know what? I got an addendum here. It's just been a hell of a week, even on the chopsticks. I lost a good chopstick a couple days ago. Those of you out there, you know what I'm talking about. So here's your heater center tap there, getting grounded. Last time I did it, I did float it above ground by a few volts by jumping onto the end of the cathode there. I don't think I'm going to do it this time. What I'm going to do is I'll just disconnect that center tap there, and then I'll run 100 ohm from here and then one from here directly to ground. So, and I'll just do it as a courtesy there, Matthew, and then maybe some backup diodes for you.